Today, we'll be showing you how to make delicious pasta from scratch, mostly from ingredients found right here on the Homestead. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, a pinch of oregano and basil, and a pinch of garlic salt. We purchase bulk wheat berries and salt from Azure Standard, in which we can store for many years. Then we grind and sift the wheat berries into flour so that we can always have fresh flour. The eggs come from our ducks that we raise, and we grow the oregano, basil, and garlic. In a large mixing bowl, mound the flour and make a well in the center. Crack the eggs open into the well and add the garlic, salt, oregano, and basil. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, gradually incorporating the flour from the sides. Continue until the dough starts to come together. Now switch to kneading with your hands. Gather the dough, then flatten and fold it repeatedly until smooth and elastic. Next, divide the dough into smaller portions. Working with one piece at a time, flatten it with a rolling pin or a pasta machine until it's thin. If using a machine, gradually run the dough through it, folding it in half each time until the desired thickness is achieved. Once your desired thickness is reached, dust the dough with flour and put it through a KitchenAid pasta attachment. If you don't have this, you can always fold it accordion style and cut crosswise. Make sure to separate the pieces carefully. Now it's time to cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Gently add the pasta and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked, drain the pasta and toss it with your favorite sauce or toppings. Serve immediately and enjoy the taste of homemade pasta. You can also dry the noodles at this point so that you can use them at a later date. Keep an eye out for an upcoming video on delicious, mouth-watering pasta sauce that is quick and easy to make. We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm appreciate you watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.